birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grayson. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Good job, buddy. Thank you.
Gotta get the angles while he's getting the angles. Booty. Buddy, it's kind of a late start to the vlog, but today we got my buddy Alonzo with me and Colby here. He's taking, took a picture of the camera.
That was pretty garbage.
Yeah? So we're taking some nice little snippets of the truck here in the mountains while it's snowing. It's actually not too shabby out here, but we got my buddy. His Instagram name is Froggy Fox.
Froggy Fox Frames.
Man, I f***ed that up. Anyways, here's his nice ass Forester. Twin turbo, 3,000 horsepower at the wheels, you know.
All those stickers, man, they'll get
Yeah,
you.
he said he's got them all on his dashboard, but we're getting this taken care of. So let's see how this goes when we're finished.
I guess they saw me on camera. I spelled USA with my fist, so I guess they got offended.
I sure wonder what. Oh, not that.
No, you're in it. You're in it. Yeah, man.
I want that fog to roll down. I hope it's up there. You know what?
All right, guys. So we just finished with the second spot. We got done doing some, well, technically third. We had one where we pulled off to the side of the road, but I guess some neighbors that live there did not like it. They said it was private property, so we just took a couple shots and left. So we just finished our other shot with a couple rolling shots of me coming up and down a mountainside. So now we're off to the third one where we'll do some rolling shots of side by side and some followings and everything else like that. My buddy Alonzo is doing a killer job. He's taking great photos. He showed me. I can't wait until he's done editing them and everything. So if you're in the West area, Idaho, Arizona area, maybe even Utah, I'm pretty sure he would travel for it. Hit him up, man. DM him for prices and everything else like that. He will take some killer photos and footage for you. He's got his own YouTube channel. Just hit that up as well. It's the same as his Instagram name that he just said that I messed up horribly. I'm gonna blame it on an accent that I do not have. And just give him some love, guys. He's trying to turn this into a passion of his that he loves, and I can definitely see him making a big future out of this. So make sure you give Alonzo some love. Got the extra spot. Nice little area. Nice little spot here. Colby found out that we have some little rock lights going on.
I mean, real close. You want that 4K quality on that.
Yeah, yeah, 4K quality, bud. Alonzo over here recording some more stuff for the intro. Well, we're stuck under here, checking out this little archway. Thought it'd be pretty nostalgic, so let's see how this goes. A little bit of change of plans. We're gonna let Colby here drive the truck while I hop in Alonzo's quadruple powered turboed Forester that has 6,000 horsepower to the wheel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive while Alonzo gets some shots of the truck here. So hopefully Colby doesn't wreck my truck, and hopefully I don't wreck Alonzo's car. So we'll see how this goes. On it a little bit.
No. It just is like, it has a range where it's.
I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. But if they never told you that the world wasn't round, would you flip it over? You playing poker with the Joker bullets.
So we got Colby backing up the truck. Pretty good. Just found out my blinker lights don't work, so that's another repair we got to add to the list. So let's see what Alonzo got. Oh yeah, we got a huge old list.
Oh, that's fun.
So let's see what Alonzo got here on the camera for little snippets.
Little snippets.
So a little sneak peek right there. Look at that.
Should be able to smooth out if some idiot uses the camera right. There you go.
So we got that. Let's give you a little taste of that right there. So that's just a piece of what we're trying to do for the intro, and everything else, those cutscenes or whatever. For now, we're mostly doing, oh, hold on. Yeah. So that looks pretty good. So hopefully we can get this all pieced together soon, and you guys will start to like it. Good morning, guys. It's a little later start to the vlog today. I actually stayed the night in Utah with my buddy Zach over here, lifelong best friend. Yeah, me and him go way back, and we started the drive around 7 o'clock this morning in Utah, where Zach resides. We are currently in Wyoming. We stopped in Little America again, just like I did in the first vlog, just to fill up on diesel and just grab some snacks and drinks to get ready to hit the road. It's currently 9:35, about to be 9:36. When I started in Utah, rather than it being 2,300 miles to my destination in Idaho, I was actually at 2,100 miles, so it was about 200 miles less. So the drive is a little bit shorter, depending how long I want to go. But so far, the diesel's been holding up great. She drives like a champ. She can hit all speed limits with no problems, but of course I'm not going over 75 when it says 80, for the sole fact of me trying to save gas mileage, because I don't really want to run through diesel that fast, because it's just going to be a little more money out of the pocket to do so. So we're gonna get back on the road. Hopefully we'll hit Nebraska in a couple hours. We'll let you guys know when we make it to our next stop, or for the night, or just the destination that we're gonna go to go fill up again. So this dude is legit towing a little house for his kid or something. It's strapped in. It's strapped on tight, man. It ain't going in. Look at that thing.
3 fucking straps.
Oh my god.
Oh my lord.
This Buick LeSabre has been fluctuating speed from upwards to 90 miles an hour to pass me to slow down to 65. So this is kind of like karma. So it's just kind of a little bit of a sweet victory to see right here. Thank you. Thank you for pulling them over. So we made a little quick stop here in Cheyenne to grab some food. We got some Subway. We were getting hungry on the road. But I want to talk to y'all to elaborate a little bit on the cop pulling over that car. So me and this car, I probably ran into this Buick probably when I hit Rawlins, Wyoming. We're driving, and mind you, we're in Cheyenne, and they pulled him over probably about 40 miles before Cheyenne. This car would just fluctuate speed. It would be flying past me, or it would be slowing really slow right next to me, and then slow down behind me. And then I would pass it, speed up a little bit, you know, to get away from it, to gap it. So driving, you know, I thought I gapped it enough, and lo and behold, this car comes sailing right behind me. I had to switch lanes for it to pass me, and it stayed stagnant right next to me the whole entire time. And nothing changed for a few miles, so I tried to get in front of it. I finally did, and when I did, the car was tailgating me for quite a while. So I was going the speed limit, but I decided to go speed up from 75 to 78, 80 right there. I mean, it's illegal to go 80. I mean, 5 over. I mean, anything above that's pretty illegal. And we see the Wyoming Highway Patrol car come past us in the opposite direction, heading west while we're heading east. When that happened, we saw the cop flipping the roundabout and heading eastbound towards us. So I thought, okay, maybe because I was speeding, he's gonna clock me at it and say, hey, like, don't speed. I was gonna fully admit it. I was gonna say, hey, I was trying to get away from this car. This car's been, you know, we've been next to each other, or like going past each other for the past 50 miles, I'm guessing. And we get to where the cop is right behind us. And I was like, all right, so I should probably get in between set of cars, so if, when he gets behind me, he can pull me over and I can just pull into the shoulder of the road. I pulled to the side and I let him like get behind me, but I found out he was speeding past me. And then he started getting right next to, like right behind the Buick LeSabre, and turned on his lights and pulled them over. So I hope he pulled them over for them tailgating me. I don't know for sure. I mean, I don't have the right to know. But for whatever reason, I thank that police officer for giving that car instant karma, because that car was just all over the place. So thank you, Wyoming Highway Patrol, for that. All right, guys, so we made it to Iowa. It's almost midnight. It's like 11:30 something. So we grabbed some hotel pizza, see how it tastes. We got some free bag of chips and a drink. And then Zach's over there being weird with a pillow. So we have driven 1,100 miles today of the 2,200 that we had at the beginning. No, 21, sorry. So we got about 1,000 miles left, somewhere around there. I didn't really check. So we're gonna rest up, get some good sleep, hit the road again, and hopefully be by New York or to New York by tomorrow evening. So see you guys then. Good morning, everybody. It is almost 7 o'clock here in Iowa. We're in, I believe, Avona, Iowa. We just woke up. We're gonna get ready to head out. But first things first, when we start off the video, I'm gonna do a cold start. So I'm gonna hand off the camera here to Zach and let him record a cold start for the truck.
Hi. Little bit of a poof.
So I'm recording in the kids' bedroom because it's way cleaner than the bedroom, but it is currently 3:07 a.m. We drove all the way from Iowa this morning and made it to New York. So it was crazy. I am very tired. So is Zach. We are going to get some rest and then hopefully decide to do something about cleaning the truck tomorrow. Maybe I'll keep you guys updated on that, maybe record a video. Haven't really decided yet. I do apologize for not recording for most of the drive. We were just trying to knock out the miles. We had 1,100 miles left to go this morning, and we had to knock it out. So now we're just gonna get some rest and hopefully start the day whenever we wake up. I gotta show him around New York because he's never been this far east, and we have a little adventure, clean the truck, and just have a good time. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it.